Welcome. If balancing on one leg feels less stable than it used to, then this practice is for you. I'm Dina and I help you build strength and mobility over 40 in a way that is kind and safe to your body. In today's practice, we're going to strengthen the ankles and also the core to support our balancing. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. First, let's test it out. Let's see how you do with your balance. So come up. Keep the feet hip width apart. Shift your weight into the left foot and raise your right leg up. You can have your knee bent here. Just notice. Does this feel wobbly? How is your balance? If you find this too easy, maybe extend the leg as well. Good. And now lower. Move your weight into the right leg now and raise the left up. And again, notice any difference that you have between the two sides, the left and the right. That's very common. Just observe them. And maybe try to extend the leg as well here. Good. Place it down, shake your legs. And now keep your feet hip width apart. And let's raise our heels up. And we're going to do this slowly. Come onto the balls of the feet. And then slowly go down. Slow and in control. Let's bring the breath to it. So inhale as you slowly come up. Exhale as you lower. Inhale, come up. Exhale, slowly lower, and now raise your toes off the mat. Go all the way, good. Now roll forward, inhale, and lower, exhale. Let's do two more, inhale, and exhale. Good. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. Now remain with your feet hip width apart and let's do some hip cars, which are controlled rotation at the hip level, just prepping the hip joint for what's about to come. So all you're going to do is raise the knee up, take it to the side, rotate the knee inward, and then reset down. Make this as slowly as possible. Come up, bring your knee to your side, rotate your knee inward, and then slowly reset. Good. We have three more. Inhale, exhale, and then come down. Raise up, come to the side, and then go down. And one more. Inhale up. And then come down. Perfect. Let's shift the weight into the right leg and let's do left. Raise your leg up. Take it to the side. Rotate inward and then come down. Make it in your own rhythm, but don't rush it. And one more. Good. Now shake your legs. And let's come to the front of our mat. And we're going to step with the left leg slightly back. Keep the right in front of us. And we will do some hip hinges, replicating the warrior 3 pose. So inhale here. And exhale, hinge from the hips as you lower halfway, raising the back leg slightly up. You can keep your palms on your hips, on your thigh, wherever is comfortable. Inhale, come up, just tap the mat with the back leg. Exhale, lower slow and in control. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. If you have something to grab onto, that's welcome. So if you have a wall close by or a chair, you can use that for stability. And let's do one more. Good. Shake the right leg and let's switch legs. So step back with the right leg now, left leg in front of you. Inhale here, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, hinge from the hips halfway. Inhale up, exhale down, slow and in control. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale, and we have one more. Inhale and exhale. Good. Shake that last leg. We should feel it by now. Now step back with the right leg. We have a wide stance here. Right leg is, toes are facing the back or the front of your mat, and bend the knee. And let's find this warrior two pose. Your front leg is bent at 90 degrees if possible. The back leg is straight. You're pushing through the edge of the back leg to create better support. Raise your arms at shoulder level and gaze towards the right fingers. And stabilize this movement. Stay here. The legs are strong. And you're breathing. Two more breaths. Last one. Good. Now slowly extend the front leg, the right leg. Come onto the heel of the right leg. Shift your torso forward and then slowly bend the back leg. And you're just sinking the hips until you find your edge. If you are here, that's where you need to be. You stay here. If you can go all the way down, even better. But do not force. Once you found your edge, we're going to stabilize the movement here for 3 breaths. 1. 2. 3. And then slowly, without touching the floor, come all the way up. Good. Now extend both legs. Both toes are facing the long edge of the mat. Place the hands onto the hips. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, fold over your legs. Place the palms onto the mat if that feels okay. And just release any tension from the back of the legs. One more breath here. Just release everything down. And on the next inhalation, come up halfway, gaze forward, stay here. Exhale. And then slowly bend the knees and in control come up. Good. Now without even thinking about it, shift the left leg to face the short edge of the mat. Bend the knee and let's find warrior two. I know your legs must be shaking by now, but we have one last hump and that's it. Stay here. Inhale, your legs are strong. Two more breaths. And then slowly place your hands onto the hips for a second. Extend the front leg. Come onto the ball of the front leg. Rotate your torso to the front. Bring your palms to your chest, or keep them onto your hips if that's comfortable, and slowly bend the right knee. Keep your spine straight and go until you find your edge, and stay there for 3 breaths. Feel that lovely stretch on the inside of the left leg. Your spine is straight and you're smiling. And then slowly place the hands onto the mat and come up. Very slowly remain here. Inhale again, extend the spine, and exhale, fold over your legs. Just 2 breaths here, releasing everything down. Maybe bend the knees. If you feel any tension, move side to side. And then slowly come up. And bring your feet together. Good, shake your legs. And now we're going to test our balance again. So again, feet hip width apart. Bring your weight into the left foot. Inhale, slowly raise the right. And just notice if this feels any different from the first test, which we did at the beginning of the practice. Maybe extend the leg. Do you feel it stronger? Maybe it's a bit shaky, that's okay. And then lower. Good. Now let's do the test on the left side. So bring your weight into the right leg. Lift the left. Notice how you feel. Maybe extend it. Just notice how much more stable you feel on your legs, because strong legs means better balance. So if you liked this flow, next time we're doing your neck and shoulders to support your posture. So come back next week to train with me again. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you've liked and enjoyed this practice, and if there's anything else you want me to create for you. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. Have an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.